Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can buy a prepackaged, uncooked corned beef brisket at the supermarket all year round, though they're certainly in plentiful supply around St. Patrick's Day. You can also cure your own corned beef. Some butchers, the really good ones, will even cure a corned beef brisket for you. 28 July 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Always rinse corned beef before cooking it. That's why the very first thing you should do is rinse the uncooked piece of meat several times under cool running water to remove this residual salt. And don't worry, rinsing won't make the beef taste bland. The flavor is infused deep into the beef during the curing process. 5 March 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.